Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Crazy.art. No, this is not Jay Marin. So please don't misunderstood between us. Starting an exciting journey into the amazing world of manga art. I'm thrilled to have you join me on this creative adventure. In today's video, we'll be learning some easy and practical tips for anyone. We'll cover
the basic tools you'll need, how to start with simple sketches and shapes, and a super helpful trick to begin discovering your own unique art style.
And let's dive in together. Let's talk about tools. Don't worry, you don't need fancy or expensive supplies to start. As a beginner, all you need are a few simple basics to get started. And you can use simple HB or 2B pencil, so relax. Here's a regular HB pencil, something simple and easy to find almost anywhere around you. And it's a great idea to start with. Plus, it comes with an eraser, which is super handy for fixing any little mistakes when you draw. Along with a regular pencil, here's the Graph Gear 500, a 0.3mm mechanical pencil. It's a great option if you're looking to upgrade your tools. It doesn't need sharpening, which saves you time, and it's perfect for adding those tiny details to your drawings. And for lead, I use 2B from Sakura polymer leads. It's also a good suggestion for you. Moving to the second point of our journey, now we start with simple circle lines and shapes. Try to draw in different perspective. The most important thing is to start with what you have and focus on improving your skills. You can skip 1 minute forward because it's boring to see someone else practicing simple things. Also try practicing drawing heads from different angles. It's such a fun challenge. Plus, it will really help you improve and give you an advantage when creating more dynamic and interesting drawings in the future. Now let's have some fun practicing eyes. Remember, the shape and style of eyes can vary a lot depending on the manga style, and they also look different from various angles. Start by understanding the basics of a simple eye design. It's the perfect foundation. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually work your way up to drawing more detailed and complex eyes. After that, try exploring gesture drawing. This is a wonderful way to practice drawing the body and capturing the movement and energy of your characters. Take it step by step and enjoy the process. It's all about progress, not perfection. Take a moment to pause here and sketch along with me. I'd love to see what you create. So feel free to share your work in the comments or tag me on Instagram. It's always so inspiring to see your amazing progress. Let me speed up a little bit. Finding your manga style takes time, but here are 4 tips to help. Tip number 1. Explore drawing books. Each one can teach you something new and valuable. For example, I have an anatomy book and a shading book that have really helped me understand the basics of sketching the human figure. It's a great way to build your knowledge step by step and improve your skills over time. Tip 2. Study your favorite manga closely and pay attention to how the characters are drawn, their unique features, proportions, and expressions. Notice the little details that make the style so special. You can use these as inspiration and reference for your next sketch. It's such a fun way to learn and a great step toward developing your own unique artistic style. Here, I'm using Luffy from a manga as a reference and trying to recreate it in my sketchbook. And I know my drawing isn't perfect, but that's okay. I just want to show you an example of how you can practice by drawing from manga. Remember, it's all about learning and improving step by step. Tip 3. Experiment with features. Try drawing eyes, noses, and hairstyles in different shapes and styles. And don't be afraid to play around and explore. It's a great way to discover what you enjoy and develop your own unique style. Tip 4. Keep practicing. And be patient with yourself. The more you draw, the more your unique style will naturally begin to emerge. It's not something that happens overnight, and that's completely okay. Every sketch you make, even the ones you're not happy with, is a step forward. Remember, growth takes time, so enjoy the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Who's your favorite manga artist? Share their name in the comments. I'd love to check them out. That's all for today. I really hope these tips help you get started on your manga art journey. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to improving, so keep at it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials and fun tips. I'd also love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what manga topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy drawing and take care!